Hi students, good morning everyone. I think you all are completing your works in your home itself. Yes, okay, please do your work side by side. Okay, don't keep it as a burden. Okay, அப்புறம் பார்த்தாலே உங்களுக்கு பயமாக இருக்கும் இவ்வளோ ஒர்க் இருக்குது. ஸோ டோன்ட் கீப் we can do it afterwards, don't take and keep it like that. Just complete it within the time what we have given. Okay, that will be the easy process for all of you. Okay, now in this session what we are going to see is, that is chapter 1 part 11. We are going to see here examples for exercise 1.1. Okay, we already completed exercise 1.1 in in before session itself. Yes, so I think in the first session, that is in part 1 itself, we have started that how to add the integer. So here also we are going to um, uh, do all the sums based on the introduction what we have seen before. ஓகே, இன்ட்ரடக்ஷனில் இருந்து நம்ம இது வரைக்கும் என்ன பார்த்தோமோ அதை தான் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சம்ஸ்லேயும் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ யூ டோன்ட் கெட் எனி ஸ்கேட். எக்ஸாம்பிள் சம்ஸ் ஐயோ புக்குக்குள்ளேருந்து வரும். ஸோ டோன்ட் டூ திங்க் லைக் தட். வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு சி தட் இஸ் யூ கேன் கீப் இட் அஸ் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு ரீகால். Okay, we are going to recall all the sums what we are studied before. Okay, now in before session we have completed exercise 1.1. Yes, please note it down. We have completed exercise 1.1 and you have to complete your fair work also. So as that continues, we are going to see the addition of integers examples. Okay, now we can enter into the example sums, right? So I think you all are clear about addition of integer. Ilaya, so you can just copy the question from the video or from your book, just close it and you can answer it by your own. I think so, like that only I have teach. I think it will be very clear for you to do the sums. Yes, so now we can start it. Now first thing is example 1.1. Add the following integers using number line. Yes, what they have said there, using number line we are going to do the sums. Okay, now first sum, that is what they have given there is, first thing is 10 and minus 15. So first question is 10 and minus 15. Okay, so now first we have to, so they have said like using number line. So using number line means first we have to draw the number line. Okay, so first we can draw the number line. So here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, this side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5, so minus 6. Okay, I already told you this side 0 is a center point, and this side after right side of zeros, that and all should be positive numbers, and left side of 0, that and all should be negative signs. Okay, negative numbers. So now we have to write this in normal form, that is 10 plus minus 15. Yes, so 10, so they have given it as simply 10. So simply 10 means what we have to do, so from 0 we have to move which side? 10 means it is a positive number, no? So positive side means which side is a positive side? This side. So this side we have to move how many units? 10 units. So from here we are going to start moving, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have moved 10 units. Next, what is the next number they have given? That is here plus, here minus. So minus into plus, minus. So what we have to do? Minus. So from the point what we have moved now, from there we have to move minus 15. So which side? Minus means it is left hand side. So we have to start from here till 15 number in the 15 units to left hand side. So from here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, 15. So your answer will be minus 5. Can you understand? So is equal to minus 5. So if they ask you to do in number line, the first thing you have to draw the number line. And then you have to point the integers in the number line. Then you have to move right or left based on the question what they have given. You have to move. If they have given plus, in plus symbol they have given the number, means you have to move you have to move from 0 right hand side. If they have given in a negative form, means you have to move left hand side. Okay, can you understand? Okay, the next second sum is minus 7 and minus 9. So for this also we have to write the number line. So from here 0, we can start from here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, goes on minus 16. Okay, now we have to change this. No, so you have to change this in this side. 1, 2, 3. Why I have splitted like this, means both the numbers what they are given in the questions are in negative form, so I have splitted like this. Okay. Okay, now what we are going to do here is now we are going to write this number in normal form, that is minus 7 plus minus 9. So first they have given minus 7, so from 0 we have to move minus 7, that is in left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can stand here, then plus into minus, it is minus. So minus 9 from the same place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will be in minus 16 place. Yes, so your answer will be minus 16, that is minus 7 plus minus 9 equal to minus 16. Can you understand, ma? So by using number line, that is example 1, add the following integer using number line. We did many problems like this, so you can do it easily. Yes, by yourself you can do it very easily, I think so. Yes, okay, the next example 1.2, that is add. Just they have given it as add minus 40 and 30, just simply they have given. So we have to convert this into normal form first. Yes, so we have to convert this into normal form. How means minus 40 plus 30, isn't it? Minus 40 plus 30. Okay, minus 40 plus 30 means what we have to do? We have to we have to see the symbol first. So while seeing the symbol here, it is plus minus, so it is minus. Okay, so minus into plus is minus. So now what is the next step? We have to see the biggest number symbol. Now while comparing 40 and 30, which is biggest number? 40 is the biggest number, so 40 contains a negative form, so we have to write the negative symbol in the negative symbol in the answer. Then we have to subtract these two numbers, that is 40 minus 30. We have to subtract it. So 0, 0, 0 will come. 4, 3. When we subtract 4 from 3, that is 3 from 4, it is 1. So minus 10 is our answer. As usual, addition of integer gamma, as usual, what we are doing, we have to do the same in this type of these types also. Okay, now the second question of that is 60 and minus 50. The same thing, we have to change this into normal form first, that is 60 plus minus 50. So while seeing this, we have to next step, we know already that what we have to do, we have to check the symbols. So while checking the symbols, this one and this one, what will happen? plus into minus, it is minus. Yes, so we have to subtract the value. The second step is we have to see the biggest number symbol. So while comparing 60 plus 50, that is 60 plus 50, which one is biggest here? 60 is the biggest number. So 60 contains a negative, sorry, positive form. So our answer will be in positive form. Then what we have to do? We have to subtract the two numbers. So while subtracting 60 plus 50, sorry, 60 minus 50, what will be your answer? 0 0 6 minus 5, that is 1. So our answer will be 10. That is, here it is plus, means we can simply write it as 10 alone. Yes. Can you understand example 1.2? There is two sums. Both the type of the sums are same. Okay. Next thing. Example 1.3. That is first sum minus 70 and minus 12. So we have to write this form in the normal form. That is minus 70 plus minus 12. So while writing like this, what we have to do? We have to see the symbol. So minus into plus, it is minus. Minus into minus, it is plus. Then here also it will change it as plus. Okay. Then now we have to see the biggest number symbol. So what is the biggest number here? It is 70. We can easily say it as 12 or 70. 70 is the biggest number. So so 70 contains a negative number symbol. So answer is, it should be in negative form. So we have to add these two numbers. So while adding 70 plus 12, so plus 0 plus 2 is 2, 1 plus 7 is 8. So here it comes minus 82 should be our answer. Can you understand? We already know all these types. So I am doing a little bit quick. Okay, the next thing, we have to simply add it. So that is 103 plus 39. This is in the form of simple addition. Yes, so simple addition simple addition means 103 39. So while adding 3 plus 9 12, that is 2 1, right? So 3 plus 1 is 4, then the remaining one. So our answer will be 142. So 142 will be our answer. Clear? Can you understand? This all comes under the simple addition of integer. What we are going to see on the next examples is, it is based on the statement problem. Okay, what we are going to do in the next continuous thing is statement problems. Okay, see here, you can see here, that is example 1.4. As for statement problems and all, we have to read the question twice. I already told you in the before session itself, we have to read the question twice, and then we have to convert that question in Tamil. As you can understand, how you can understand, you have to convert it, and then you have to move to the answer. Give the answer, and you have to give the answer in the next step. Okay, now first we have to read the question twice. Okay, now a submarine is at 32 feet below the sea level. Okay, then it moves up 8 feet. Find the depth of the submarine. Here what they have given, okay, I will read another time. A submarine is at 32 feet below the sea level. Then it moves up 8 feet. Find the depth of the submarine. What they have given, I will explain it in Tamil. Submarine இருக்கு தெரியுமா? அது வந்து கடலுக்குள்ள போகுமே. ஓகேவா? அது வந்து என்ன பண்ணுதுன்னா 32 feet below, ஒரு கடலுக்குள்ள 38, அதாவது 32 feet பிலோவில் இருக்குது, கடலுக்குள்ளே இருக்குது. அப்புறம் அது வந்து மேலே வருது, கடலுக்கு மேலே 8 feet இருக்குது. அப்போ அது போயிட்டு வந்த டெப்த், ஃபைண்ட் த டெப்த், அது போயிட்டு வந்தது ஃபுல்லாக எவ்வளோ டெப்த் இருந்திருக்கும். போணுச்சுல கீழே 32, மேலே வந்ததா 8. ஸோ அது ரெண்டையும் சேர்த்தா எவ்வளோ டெப்த் அது போயிட்டு வந்திருக்கும் அப்படின்றது கொஸ்டின். Okay, now how we have to convert? So first here listen, here below means it should be in subtraction form, up means it should be in addition form. சரியா? below அப்படின்னு எப்பயுமே வந்துச்சுன்னா that is in subtraction, that is in negative form. Up means it is in positive form. Okay, now what they have given, submarine Okay, now we can start writing given. First we have to write the given form. That is submarine is below the sea level. Submarine below the sea level. Submarine below the sea level means what we have to write? Negative form and that 32 feet. Clear? You have to write the negative form and then you have to write the 32 feet. Then what they have given? Then it moves up. So submarine up to the sea level equal to plus 8 feet. Up means it should be plus. Then to find what we have to find? Depth of the submarine. So to find what? Depth of submarine. Okay, how we can find it? So to find the depth of submarine, what we have to do? போயிட்டு கீழே போயிட்டு மேலே வந்தது அப்படின்னா ரெண்டையுமே we have to add it. So while we are adding the two, we can get the answer easily. So we have to add these two. That is first how we can write it as minus 32 plus 8. That's all. Can you understand? ரெண்டையுமே add பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா minus 32 plus 8. That's all. So we can do as usual. We are going to do in the as usual method, that is an addition of integer. So here it is minus, here it is plus, so it is subtraction. Then which one is the biggest number? It is 32 is the biggest number. So we have to write the negative form in the answer itself. So while writing the negative form then we have to subtract these two, that is 32 8. So while subtracting we have to borrow here it should be 2. So 8 minus 12 means it is 4. Then the 2 comes the same, so here it is 24 feet. So how we should answer? So in answer it is subtraction means we have to write it as submarine is minus, that is submarine is below 24 feet. Okay, depth. Clear? So below அப்படின்றத நம்ம அங்கே மென்ஷன் பண்ணணும். Why means the answer is in negative form. So if it is in negative form, our answer that the negative form shows that it is below. If it is an addition means it shows that it is up the sea level. It is depth of submarine is below 24 feet, depth in sea level. சரியா? ஸோ பிலோ இன் சி லெவல் அதுக்குள்ளே தான் இருக்குது அந்த சப்மரைன்ன்றது. ஓகே, புரியுதா? அடிஷன் மீன்ஸ் அப், பிலோ மீன்ஸ் நெகட்டிவ் ஃபார்ம். ஓகே, கீப் இட் இன் மைண்ட். Okay, then example 1.5. Okay, Sita saved rupees 225 and she spends rupees 400 on credit basis for the purchase of stationery. Find her due amount. Okay, another time I will read the question. Sita saved rupees 225 and she spent rupees 400 on credit basis for the purchase of stationery. Find her due amount. I will explain it in Tamil. என்னன்னா சீதான்ற பொண்ணு வந்து சேவிங்ஸ் வச்சுருக்காங்க. அவங்க எவ்வளோ சேவிங்ஸ் வச்சுருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் 225 rupees. சரியா? ஸோ அந்த 25 rupeesலேருந்து அவங்க வந்து 400 rupeesக்கு ஸ்டேஷ்னரி ஐட்டம்ஸ் வாங்கிட்டாங்க. ஸோ 400க்கு வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ அவங்கக்கிட்ட இருக்கிறது 225 மட்டும்தான். ஸோ தட் இஸ் 400க்கு பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அவங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் அமௌண்ட் லேகிங்காக இருந்திருக்கும் இல்லையா? ஸோ அந்த அமௌண்ட் என்னன்றது தான் கேட்குறாங்க. Can you understand? So 225 rupees she has saved, but she spends 400 rupees for stationery. ஓகே, ஃபைண்ட் ஹர் டியூ அமௌண்ட். கிரெடிட்க்கு வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. கிரெடிட்டுக்குன்னா நம்ம வந்து அமௌண்ட் வாங்கிட்டு அப்புறமா அவங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக பே பண்ணுறது. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. ஃபைண்ட் ஹர் டியூ அமௌண்ட். அவங்க இன்னும் எவ்வளோ பே பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹவ் வில் யூ ஃபைண்ட் இட்? ஸோ அவங்க சேவிங்ஸாக இருக்கிறது ப்ளஸ், நம்மளுக்கு கிரெடிட்டில் வாங்கியிருக்கிறது மைனஸ் இல்லையா? ஸோ நம்மக்கிட்ட இருக்குன்னா அது ப்ளஸ், நம்ம வேறவங்க கிட்ட இருந்து வாங்கியிருக்கோன்னா அது நம்மளுக்கு மைனஸ். ஒய்? வி ஹாவ் டு ரிட்டர்ன் இட் பேக். Yes, we have to return that amount. So that is based on the negative form. So we have to write it in the type. So the first thing what we are going to write is, the given thing is Sita saved equal to how much? Rupees 225. Okay, then Sita spends for stationery. How much? Rupees 400. So how we have to write? Spend. நம்ம கையில் இருந்து தான் அந்த அமௌண்ட் போயிருக்கு அப்படிங்கும்போது ஸ்பெண்டும்போது minus 400. Okay, find her due amount. To find what? To find due amount. ஸோ how will you find it? ஸோ இது ரெண்டையுமே ஆட் பண்ணால் தான் தெரியும். நம்ம 255 பே பண்ணிட்டோம், மீதி ரிமைனிங் எவ்வளோ நம்ம பே பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஸோ ஃபார் தட் we have to add these two numbers. So how we have to add means 225 plus minus 400, isn't it? Okay, now as usual, now minus into plus is, sorry, plus into minus is minus. So biggest number is 400 here. So 400 contains a negative symbol, so answer should be in negative form. So we have to subtract these two, that is 400 minus 225. So subtract it, we cannot subtract, so we have to borrow from here. So here it should be 5 and here it should be, so here also it should be 3. It should be converted as 3. So our answer should be here 9 minus 2 is 7. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So minus 175 will be our due amount. Yes, so minus 175 னு சொல்லக்கூடாது, rupees 175. ஏன்னா நம்ம இன்னும் பே பண்ணணும். So if we paid means we will get subtracted from some savings amount, right? ஸோ நம்ம சேவிங்ஸ்லேருந்து தான் அது போகும். அப்போ நம்ம சேவிங்ஸ் தான் குறையுமே ஒழிய ஆட் ஆகாது. ஸோ அது குறையும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது we have to give the negative symbol there. Okay, we have to give the negative symbol. So 175 should be their due amount. Okay, okay, then example 1.6. Okay, from the ground floor a man went up 6 floors and came down 6 floors. In which floor is he now? இது நல்லா கவனிக்கணும். இன்னொரு வாட்டி படிக்கிறேன். You can say the answer by your own. Without doing the sum, we can say the answer. So for that only I am saying, please listen. From the ground floor, a man went up 6 floors and came down 6 floors. In which floor is he now? Okay, I will give you an example now here. If you are in Pothys, keep it in Pothys. In Pothys 7th floor there is a food court, right? In Pothys 7th floor, I think so. So in you are going to Pothys from 0, that is from ground floor, from the basement you are moving to 7th floor. Daddy, நான் ஃபுட் கோர்ட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு தான் டாடி நான் கீழே வீட்டுக்கே வருவேன். You will say like that. So you will go first 7th floor, then afterwards you have to move to the ground floor. Yes, so while moving to the ground floor only you can move out, you can take the bike or car, you can move to your home. So likewise one person is standing, you keep it in mind, you are standing in the basement, that is in ground floor, you are clicking the lift for 7th floor first. Okay, 7th floor, you went for 7th floor and you completed your purchasing and you have eaten some snacks like that. Then you are coming to the lift. From 7th floor you are going to move to the ground floor. Where you will be? You will be in the ground floor. So without seeing, without doing the sum itself, you can give the answer. Okay, now we can do the sum. So here also they have given up, down. Up means plus, down means subtraction. Okay, okay, now from the ground floor a man went up 6th floor. Okay, a man went up from a man up sixth floor. Then from sixth floor a man went sorry a man came down six floors. So here down means how we have to convert. Here it is up means 8 plus 6, down means minus 6. Okay, now what we have to do? Now where he will be? Yes. Yes, now where he will be. You can write it. So how we can find it out? You have to add these two numbers. So while adding here plus 6 minus plus minus 6. So as usual plus into plus plus, plus into minus is minus. We have to subtract. Both the numbers are same, so you need not give the symbol here. So then you have to subtract 6 minus 6 is what? It is 0. So you will be in 0 means it will be taken as ground floor. So that man should be in ground floor again. Clear? நீங்கள் உங்களையே எக்ஸாம்பிளாக எடுத்துருக்கலாம். You can take you as your example. Okay, now we have seen till example 1.6. So please do again and again. This is a statement problems. It's very important problems. So if you know this simple statement problems to do by your own, then only you can able to do in 8th standard and all. 8th and 9th there will be more and more statement problems will be there. So please do all the sums by your own. And what we did here and all very simple statement problems and based on addition of integer only, right? Okay, in the next session we are going to see by using the properties. Already we have done by using the properties. We are going to see some examples. Okay, so please cooperate. So please all of you do your works, open your book, take a fair work or take a rough note, do all the sums. Okay, give a test for yourself by your own. Okay, do it. All of you complete your homeworks also. Okay students, thank you, be safe.